Aloha, Wayne Kealohi Powell here. I'm from Kauai. I'm the founder of Hawaiian Shamanic Bodywork. I've been doing this work for about 30 years or more, and I'm coming to England, and I'm really excited about sharing some Hawaiian magic with you guys. I'm sure many of you have heard of Ho'oponopono. Well, that's how the Hawaiian Healing Intensive begins, with a whole day of forgiveness technology on Saturday, September 28th. And then the 29th, we're going to clean and clear for a new dream, creating and manifesting what it is you want to bring into your life. So, Ho'oponopono is all about how to release the ancestral programs that we inherited from our lineage. There are so many things that it's hard to forgive ourselves for, and others as well. But when we clear these channels, so much energy is released, so much freedom of spirit, and so much innocence is returned to us that manifesting what we want becomes really easy. So that's why there's 2 days of Hawaiian shamanic healing in Glastonbury. And we are doing the first day cleaning and clearing all the pathways of flow with self-identity or self-responsibility, Ho'oponopono. And then on Sunday, then we are going to heaven. The first part of Sunday is laying on a massage table and having 6 people lay their hands on you very gently and meditate unconditional aloha light love, pouring down into their heart, out their hands, right through your body, into your soul. And all they're thinking is, I love you, from your higher self, your aumakua. That's right. At least 10, maybe 14 hands pouring this in. And you get to practice receiving unconditional love from the entire universe, from your ancestors, and from all your loved ones through these people. That's the beginning of Sunday. The second half of Sunday is a manifestation ceremony called Haipule, which incorporates Kalanahula, 6 aspects of flowing water, non-resistance. So the second day we build, we clean, we keep cleaning, and then we build your dream before we let you leave on Sunday. And you get to learn Haipule, which also involves a Hawaiian chant, Aumakua, higher self, Mai kapowaiola, ho ikea mai ikeola. Bring forth the water of life from heaven and manifest my vision. So you'll chant this 3 times in Hawaii, lifting up anoano, the seed of your vision, and then finally blow it off into heaven. Amama ua noa lele valiakula, which means fly off and manifest. Yes. And then kepau, we're done. And then you trust, as your vision has been given to the Most High, that it will come to you as you feel it's already happened in your body. So that's the Hawaiian Healing Intensive, September 28th and 29th, Saturday and Sunday, in Glastonbury. I want to see you there. It will change your life. And you can feel that already, I'm sure. So come and join us. Hawaiian Ritual. We are going to have a lot of fun cleaning and redesigning our lives. So, see you there. Ahui ho, malama pono. Till we meet again, take the best care. Ho'o mai ka'i. Blessings to you and yours. Aloha. Woohoo!